when there is a signal which is triggered, we all buy the stock or we sell the stock. Okay. And there are only a handful of people who are so-called modern people who are following 10 and 20. Now, if you know that I am also following MACD technical indicator on the same stock, you are also following on the same stock, your friend is also following on the same stock, some institutions are also, fund managers, portfolio managers, they are all following MACD of 12 and 26 days on, let's say, the stock of Reliance Industry. And from last 10 days, Reliance Industries MACD was negative. For the first time, it has become positive. So what will the fund manager do? He will buy, because as per his technical software, he will get a signal to buy, right? What will the portfolio manager do? He will also buy. A technical trader sitting in one small lane, working from home, putting in just 5-7 lakh rupees in the market, he will also see the same MACD with the same parameters, and he will also start buying. Okay, I am teaching MACD, I also know 1226, I will also start buying. Okay, I have my broking house where I'm going to tell all my people to start buying. So basically there will be a buying wave which will come. Why? Because the stock is fundamentally good? No, that's the initial kickoff. Because the stock is fundamentally doing good, so the MACD, so there is some push in the prices. But can we keep the stock of 6,000 stocks, I mean the chart of 6,000 stocks on our screen? No. So there was a trigger which was done through a screener, and that screener triggered and said that be cautious or be aware, or let's say, hey, Reliance Industries share has just now gone positive MACD. Now that trigger or that signal will be triggered not only on my software screen, but everyone who is following technical analysis based on the default parameters. But it will not be signaled on that person who is using 10 and 20. His trigger will either be earlier than my trigger or later than my trigger. Depends. Okay. Now, the moment we all start buying the stock, just because MACD is saying to buy, nothing has happened with the Mani family. RIL may not have actually grabbed a big order from the market. Nothing has happened which is that big a fundamental cause. But just because one of the most prominent technical indicator MACD has gone positive, so you, me, and everyone else, each and every person who uses technical analysis started buying the stock. So when the demand exceeds supply, the stock is eventually going to go up. So after this point, the stock started going up madly. The moment MACD turned positive, stock price started going up. Now, who has forced the prices to go up once MACD started becoming positive? Is it fundamental analysis, or is it we, the technical analysts? It is us who have resulted or who have actually forced the stock to go up, because the moment MACD went positive, it was almost like a group WhatsApp message sent across to buy. And when the entire world is buying and after a stock to buy, buyers are less than sellers, the stock obviously has to go up. And as the stock goes up, MACD even starts turning more positive, so more people come in, and the higher participation on the buying side with an increased volume, it also triggers other indicators like stochastics, like RSI, like Bollinger Bands. It actually triggers other technical indicators, this excessive buying suddenly. Then money flow comes in, volume goes up, and then everyone is madly buying the stock, but no one knows why they are buying. That they don't know. Okay, but they are buying because MACD positive. Now, if you are following what the world is following, only then you will be able to join the party, right?